Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the ultimate spooky sensation that will transform your Halloween decorations. Introducing the best scary window Halloween decorations on the market, the Newwiee Scary Halloween Curtains. If you're looking to up your fright factor this spooky season, stay tuned as we explore all the chilling features these curtains have to offer. These curtains are designed to create an eerily authentic atmosphere, perfect for any Halloween gathering or haunted house setup. Each package includes two curtains, one depicting a male silhouette and the other a female. When placed in your windows, they give the illusion of creepy figures trying to escape, creating a truly spine-tingling view for your neighbors and guests. Imagine the fright on their faces as they catch a glimpse of these spooky silhouettes through your windows. Crafted from high-quality fabric, these curtains are lightweight yet durable, ensuring they won't easily tear or fade, even after repeated use. They measure approximately 31.1 by 47.24 inches, making them suitable for most standard windows. Whether you're decorating your living room, bedroom, or even a haunted house event, these curtains are the perfect fit to enhance your spooky decor. The realistic and creepy design features chilling imagery that looks like they are climbing out of your windows, making it an ideal choice for setting the mood for Halloween. Whether you're hosting a party or simply want to scare off trick-or-treaters, these curtains are sure to impress. The Newwiee curtains come in various designs to match your unique Halloween theme. From blood clowns to spooky ghosts, there's something to cater to everyone's tastes. This versatility means you can mix and match to create a truly personalized haunted house experience right in your home. One of the standout features of these curtains is their adaptability. Use them indoors to create a creepy ambiance or take them outdoors for that added effect. They're perfect for Halloween parties, haunted house attractions, or even just to have some fun during this frightful season. Plus, they're easy to store away and reuse next year, making them a smart investment for any Halloween enthusiast. Now, let's talk about the price. The Newwee Scary Halloween Curtains are reasonably priced at $15.99 for a set of two. Which is a fantastic deal considering the impact they will have on your Halloween decor. You can easily find them on Amazon, ready to be delivered to your doorstep just in time for the spooky season. In conclusion, if you want to make your home the spookiest on the block, the Newwee Scary Halloween Curtains are your go-to choice. Their terrifyingly realistic designs and easy-to-use nature will leave a lasting impression on your guests and neighbors alike. Don't miss out on the opportunity to elevate your Halloween festivities with these chilling decorations. Thank you for tuning in to Product Critique. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more product insights. We hope you have a frightfully fun Halloween season. Until next time, stay spooky.